Hi guys, it's Amanda Renee. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be doing a review on the Taliah Waajid Repair and Restore Hair Strengthening Treatment Mask. So if you're interested in seeing how it will work on my hair and hearing my thoughts, definitely keep on watching. So I would have used this once before on my channel when I would have done a natural hair reboot. I will put that link in the iCards up above, but I just figured why not try it out on color treated hair. I just finished another video on clarifying shampoo, so definitely check it out if you want to hear my thoughts. It will also be in the description box down below, but as of right now my hair is pretty dry because I just clarified it. What this claims to do is repair the strands, restores hair elasticity, regulates ideal hair porosity for moisture retention, leaves hair soft and manageable. As I said, I would have used this before and loved it, but just never did a review. But I figured I would do a review since I do have color treated hair and I want to see how it will work on color treated hair. So I will drench my hair, part my hair in four, then I will come back when I am ready to apply the deep conditioner. Alrighty, so my hair is sectioned and it is wet. Let us see if this deep conditioner will work on my color treated hair. I would have used this on my untreated hair, so let's see if I actually still like it. This is what it looks like, and this is the consistency of it. It is pretty thick. It is actually pretty thick, so I will just use this amount for the front part. I may not even need that much, but I rather too much than too little. I'll wet my hair a little bit as well. So yes, the slip is what I remember for sure. Oh my gosh, and it emulsifies. It definitely has slip to it, and it's helping to melt away all the tangles that are in this section of hair. Oh wow, I definitely remember enjoying this part for sure. And it's definitely curling my strands. I realized that that's how, a deep conditioner is working when your curls are being defined. It's not wash and go definition, but my hair is defining. My hair is being defined. So the tangles are melting. Except that little part there, but my hair isn't as wet as it once was. So there's that as well. And my hair is also tangled from the clarifying shampoo process. That's kind of why I don't like to clarify my hair often, because my hair tends to get pretty dry. But It's all a part of it, I suppose. Note, I said I suppose. So this is what this section is looking like. It definitely has a banana scent. So the slip is there, and I'm definitely feeling my hair being softened. So I will do this for the rest of my hair. I think the key thing for deep conditioners, especially masks, and I see people do it the opposite way. I see people use it without water. I think the key thing is using it on drenched hair, or at least wet hair, so that you can get all the benefits. So afterwards, it does say to leave it in for 20 minutes with or without a plastic cap. I will put a plastic cap on my head, then I'll come back when it's time to rinse out. So as I said, I will finish the rest of my hair off camera, come back after the 20 minutes to show you my hair before I rinse it out. Alrighty, so I am back after rinsing out my hair. My hair does feel softer than how it was in the beginning for sure. Is it soft? Yes, it is. I would rate the softness 6 out of 10. Luster and shine, I'm not quite sure about the shine and luster, so not necessarily. Restores the ends and the locks in moisture. I would have to assess my ends, but they seem to be still intact even from before. But moisture, my hair is more moisturized than where I started for sure. So for color treated hair, I would definitely have to give this a 7 out of 10. It's not the worst for color treated hair. It is on the strengthening side, hence it being a hair strengthening treatment mask. So it is going to have some level of protein. So just be careful when you are using protein on your color treated hair. You don't want to over process it, but at the same time you want to just replenish the protein that was lost from the chemical process. But as I said, I will give this a 7 out of 10. It's not a bad deep conditioner. I will have to keep using it to see if the rating will go up, but I liked it before on my undyed hair, so hopefully I like it on my dyed hair. Maybe I might not, because it's just a different chemical composition altogether. So with that being said, this is my review on color treated hair of this Repair and Restore Hair Strengthening Treatment Mask from Taliah Waajid. If you made it to the end of this video, don't forget to like if you liked the entire process and you liked the review. Definitely subscribe for more natural hair content if you're interested in more content from me, and share this video with someone who is interested in trying this mask on their color treated hair but has no idea how it will work. Definitely send this video to them, and while you're at it, check out videos that will pop up on your screen if you're interested in seeing more content from me. and I will catch you in my next styling video. Bye bye.